Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KNA Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So in the last video, I was forgotten to yes I was forgot to explain you the functionality of logout system, because the functionality was working properly but GUI is not working properly. Okay, and so we will first solve that GUI problem in this video, then move to the next setting arrangement part. So for this, come to tutorial. Okay, and as you can see, on clicking on this, the logout drop down is appearing on left side instead of appearing on right side just below the email ID. So first we will try to solve this. Okay. The problem here is that we need to add drop down class here instead of here. So save it and see the changes. Yes, as you can see, now it is working properly and also the visibility is good. Now coming to setting arrangement part, which I was linking with the database. Okay, so come to last part, set number. Okay, and see the status. So here we have to do one thing. Instead of just writing p tag, we will delete that. Okay, and we will write a starting of PHP tag and closing of PHP tag. Inside this we will have if is statement containing the condition, that is seat number, seat status, 0, that is equal to booked. If it is true, then we have p tag with the class attribute sorry, my mistake, p tag and p tag will be like this. Okay, not a problem. Echo now p tag, and inside p tag we will have class attribute having the value bg danger, okay, rounded circle. And what was the other class? I think p2m2, that is for padding and margin, text light and font weight bold. That's it. And content will be L1 and p tag will be closed. This condition is for seat status, that is booked. Okay, now if it is not booked or it is empty available for booking, Then we will have echo inside double inverted comma. We have p tag with the class attribute having the value bg primary, a rounded circle p2m2, sms before, text light, font weight bold, and L2, sorry, L1. Okay, L1, because we are checking the conditions for booking or not booking, for booked or not booked, for L1 only. Okay, this is it. Now arrange this code properly for better view. Now copy this line of code, paste it here, again here, again just below it, just below it, just below it, just below it, just below. Yes, now this for 1, and here the content will be L2. Similarly, here the index will be 3 and content will be L3. Sorry, here index will be 2 because we are searching from 0. So here the content will be 3. Similarly, here the index will be 3 and content will be 4 and 4. Sorry, content will be L5. L6, L6, L7, L7, L8, L8. Okay, that's good. Now we have to do one thing. After else, since we have to provide 2 sheet in a single row, so we need to add a div after that, close div after that. Okay, now this is good. Similarly, opening of PHP tag after opening of div tag. With the class attribute which is as same as the value of class attribute of a div tag available on line number 203. Just copy it here, remove this, and copy it here, sheet 1 here. After closing of PHP tag and opening of PHP tag, in between you have to copy it. Okay, sorry, you have to close the div tag. Okay, do one thing, copy this line of code. Here, Control C, yes, Control V. This div tag is closed. Opening of div tag, inside we have PHP tag. When PHP tag is closed, then we will have div tag closed. Then again opening of div tag, opening of PHP tag closed, div tag closed. Opening of div tag and then PHP tag. Okay, PHP tag is closed, div tag is closed. Control V, Control V, Control V. One set 0 1, here will be 2, and the content will be L3. Okay, here the index will be 3, but content will be L4. Similarly, here the content index will be 4 and content will be L5. Index will be 5, content will be L6. Index will be 6, content will be L7. Okay, now do one thing. Dive tag here, delete from here to here. Okay, first save it and see the changes. Yes, because we haven't added any data in bus sheet table of database, so it is giving undefined option 0 and 1. So for this, first we have to add database. For this we need to come MySQL.admin part, and here we need to add some data into the bus sheet table of our database. Okay, we will complete this section in next video. So thank you. Because time is already up to the mark, and we need to stop my video here. Okay, so see you in next video.